Viewers, welcome once again to Sam Tunzi TV. And today we are going to make a kalimba. First of all, when you want to make a kalimba, one of the things that you can use is the bicycle wires or bicycle spokes. Therefore, I have an old bicycle rim there with the spokes, with the wires, using a pliers. Cut one of them using a pair of pliers, and then you flatten it. The bicycle wire or the spoke is round, and then you need to flatten it. You can see that. Then cut into small pieces which will fit your kalimba. Those are the small pieces that I've already cut there. Cut another one until you are satisfied how many notes of a kalimba you want to have. And different kalimbas have different notes. Look at that. I have some bars there which I'm going to use them, and this one is an old box that I intend to use to act as a resonator for the kalimba. You can see it's made of wood. Therefore, I need to try some of the bars there. Look at that one. That one is very long. The longest are going to be fixed there at the middle of your kalimba. That is the longest, I think. Try to arrange them there. Try to arrange them there to see if they will be able to fit well. Therefore, I need to make them branches. That's our one branch that I make. One branch there, another one there, another one there. Fix the branches where you will fix the bars of your kalimba, or some people from the southern Africa, they call it nyunga mbira. Others call it kalimba. Whatever they call it, today we are going to make one of them. After the end of this practical lesson, we are going to look at what you have made, and we'll judge if it has been successful or not. Therefore, now you need to drill a hole inside the kalimba so that we can see if it will be able to resonate the sound very well. And we try to do something on it, test the bars and see if they sound well. Then this is our hand product there. I'm testing it